In this video, we're gonna make naan. We have water, bread flour, durum. If you can't find the durum, you can use all-purpose. We have oil, salt, yeast, sugar, and yogurt. To start, I'm gonna put in my water. My sugar. And my instant yeast. Let's let that dissolve before I add our next ingredients. After that, we're gonna add our yogurt. All-purpose. And the durum. In the stand mixer fitted with a hook attachment, I'm just gonna mix on low speed for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, and then we'll start our auto release. After 2 minutes or so, we're just gonna let it auto release for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of auto release, sprinkle your salt in. I'm just gonna add the oil. I'm gonna mix on medium for 6 to 8 minutes. So after 6 minutes, you just want to check to see if there's enough gluten developed. That's usually done through the gluten window pane test. So I just want to pull a piece of dough apart and stretch it to see if it's okay. So we're just checking for gluten at this point. We'll just pull the bread to see it has enough, so it's ripping. We're just gonna mix it for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes is up, and then we'll check again. So I think it's fine. So we're gonna let it rest. We'll just round it. I'm gonna cover it and let it rest. So after a first rest, we are going to do a book fold or a lamination. So I'm gonna take this out. Just gonna flatten this. So I'm just going to stretch it out, and I'm just gonna fold it over like this, fold it over like this, fold it like that, and then we're going to let it rest for a half hour. After half an hour, we're going to divide this into 4 equal portions. So that's 511, roughly 125, 127 roughly. So let me try to divide that. So that's 1. That's 2. What we want to do is actually pre-shape it. So I'm just going to press down, and then we're going to rotate so we can have a round. So it's okay if we force some of the air out right now after you do that. So rotate, 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 and we're just gonna smooth it out. And notice I haven't used any flour whatsoever. I don't think we need to. So I'm gonna put some push. Flip it over. Number 3, and the last one. Just like that. We're going to let this rest for 45 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna set our oven to 550 degrees. 45 minutes is up, and our oven has been preheating at 550 degrees. So we can just roll out our dough, and then we'll bake it. So what I wanna do is, get a sift, and then we're gonna bring this over like so, kind of flip it. I'm gonna tie it. My doughs are ready. I'm gonna take this, sprinkle a little bit of flour, a little bit of flour on top. Just gonna roll it. Now you don't have to worry about rolling it into a round. Usually an oblong shape is perfectly fine. You can let this relax while I roll out the other ones as well. The flour, I'm gonna roll it out. Like I said, it doesn't have to be round. An oblong shape is fine. And then roll a little bit, and then let that rest, and then we'll do it again. So this one's been a couple minutes, it's relaxed. I can stretch it over this. And then it goes right on our baking steel. So this, just flip it over.
Yep.
Maybe this way.
Okay.
So Megan and I made like a chili oil, a chili crisp. Just brush it.
But you could use other stuff as well, right?
Yeah, you can use just oil with garlic. We'll chop up some red onion, cilantro, whatever you want.